swear. Cause me as a citizen of Jamaica, I nearly lose for me for me 1 pint. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to now. I go pick up my grandmother because I go take my daughter picture to do something, and then I actually go back out to JN, go do something and then a good one I not got bash. People I left me out, you know. When I tell us I left me out, This if you see me with a black something around the weekend, you know, so this a weekend no secure, none at all, you know. So anybody hold me and just hug me too tight or, you know, hold on for the weekend, said we gone. But oh my god, I just see one cat in the road. Him dead still, I run over him. Him just sit in the road. Somebody kill him apparently, so yeah. But you know, it kinda sad. You know me have one puppy. But yeah. Yeah, me go actually, me head in town now, me go pick up my grandmother, get my daughter picture take, and then I go in a batch because I need some stuff for the house. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm actually going town now. Go pick up my grandmother, like my dad tell her before, and then I go take her picture. I keep repeat myself. But yeah, I go take her picture, then go up a Bashka, get some also household stuff. I did for drop off some Teflar bags that I have up on my friend's store. But the thing is, when I did left this morning, I did end up left on the bed. So I just say like, sure, if it man, I now worry turn back. Cause sometimes I'm always so when I go somewhere, you know, if you turn back, you know, some old people. So I'm just not go turn back, you know. But yeah, me a driver now, so I go vlog when I reach at the picture place and stuff like that. Not really vlog, cause you know, I didn't grab my phone. But yeah, me do a little video here and there. You know, so I did a good video when I did a go take my daughter picture, but God know some passport picture may I take, and this little girl won't sit still. Like we in there for a while, she does not sit still. And juice finish? Makita, you wet up yourself. Oh my god. Makita, why you take off the bib? Straw gone? She a drink her juice, me with my grandmother, because hopefully my grandmother can hold her in her lap and me distract her behind the video, man. I don't know how to get rid of them stuff over me, you know. From me to go to school, I have this like the raccoon high thing. But yeah, boy, I tell you the truth, if you take passport picture with kids this one, it's a lot of work and patience, and you know, it's just a lot. But rain go here down here, so look. Yeah, so I actually park up here so they wait for my grandmother to come. Yeah, so I wait for my grandmother. So why me kill time? I go to something upon a topic, just talk about a topic. Last time I did scrolling through Instagram and I see something say like one quote with them, I say like love not there anymore and stuff like that. But I'm not telling you honestly truth. Love there, you know, it's just that people messed up relationship, because you have a lot of selfish and inconsiderate people that's in a relationship, and then we get a good female or a good male, and because of their selfishness and inconsiderate, them actually mess up that person mentally. So the person just, you know, iffy when it comes to love and all of that stuff. But let me tell you, it's if you're in a relationship or you're heartbroken or you're looking for love out there, you have to think to yourself like, remember, say you love, you know, so other people out there love just like you. You know, love out there, man. I just time and patience for you meet the perfect and not perfect, the right person. Because nobody not perfect, everybody have their flaw. Me not perfect, me miserable. So oh yeah, me did I say, yeah, me miserable, gone to bed. What you doing? No! Give it to me. Where's the shirt? You're not a good girl. Wipe your mouth. You're not a good girl. I'm not talking to you. So yeah, as me I say, you have to think to yourself like how you love and how you loyal. There's just one person out there. There's somebody out there will go love like you and loyal just like you, you know. So you know, make no sense you go there say you don't want love because love not there again. Love there again. It's just that a lot of us date a lot of selfish and inconsiderate people and narcissists. So just Google the words when I just say narcissist, and you know what is a narcissist. So you will know if you don't know a relationship with a narcissist or not. But yeah, man, love nice, you know. Love is really, really nice and exciting, and when you're in love, trust me, it's a good feeling for being in love, you know. Somebody in a bank right now.
Drop step.
Wait.
Drop step. Drop step.
So I'm in a bank. I'm actually get 3090. I'm gonna go show you which party there right now. Go. See? 3010. So you know, see a proper weight me have to wait right now, you know. So I come in a Jamaica bank, you did just say you go safe for your whole day. Then slow. No sir. If slow as a person, Jamaica bank.
The one we were here before.
They sell regular TV are just that the TV, the regular TV now is just that you use Wi-Fi, but you can watch regular TV if you have one Manium. Hey guys, so I never did get to finish the vlog because I don't know, this morning when I leave my house I never did feel sick, but all of a sudden when I did sit down in a bank, I actually did in a bank from around 10 o'clock a.m. and I just left out a bank after 4. It was a long day there. People did a cuss and all of that, and then me nearly dropped them dead in a bank, you know. So it's just a long thing. Me nearly dropped down and dead in a bank. It may have got one story time for that, but all me have to say is me could never in a life vote ever in a Jamaica. And as a citizen in a Jamaican citizen, you don't have no right in a Jamaica. You know, we get to say Jamaica is a third world country, but trust me, you see, if I could have left Jamaica and come back, I would, you know. Jamaica is the worst place to live. Worst place. Oh yeah, like me I say with the whole bank situation, I go to one story time on that, but I just can't believe. So anyway, why I say I can't believe? Me believe because it's a Jamaica, you know. People don't really care, and as a citizen in Jamaica, you don't really have no rights in Jamaica, so that's why most people just run with the cross the border and come back. Because to be honest, if me actually have a daughter and the border thing, you know, because trust me, if me get a chance to cross the border, I would come back either. So me not blame them. The only thing is most times, sometimes the people them we go through a situation, you know, but trust me, I just true me can't manage the whole border thing, because I can't put myself through that. But if everybody if they watch you say they plan for go foreign, run off. Trust me, run the off, because Jamaica, you don't have no rights to yourself. Swear, because me as a citizen of Jamaica, I nearly lose for me for me 1 pint.
Anything mama wear my binder, no one come borrow girl clothes. I mean no see the boy with